Hi, this is Anil. In this video, I'll talk about how to download JDK and install the JDK. First, we need to go to the Oracle site. If you go to the Oracle site, we can find out the latest JDK, that is the Java SE 14, and also we can find the Java SE 13. Here we can click this link, JDK download. Here, if you go to the download page, you can find all the JDKs for different operating systems. Here I will select the Windows 64 installer. Once we click this exe, we have to accept the license agreement to download the JDK. Once you accept the license agreement, it will be downloaded into your local system. Once you click the exe, then it will show you the visual and you can click the next buttons to install that one. Once you install the JDK, then you can that JDK will be installed in the directory called C colon program files Java. Whatever version you install, that will be your JDK directory. After installing the JDK, we need to set the Java home environment variable. This is useful because some of the application wants to use the JDK, then it directly goes to this Java home. It will find the Java home environment variable. From there, it will find the Java interpreter to execute the application. So in order to set the Java home, first type the env in the search bar and you will find the system properties. From there you can click the environment variables, and if you want to add, you can add java underscore home environment variable, and the value is whatever path. Here SQL program files java slash the jdk directory you have to give. Also, if you want to set the path, we can, that is actually important to set the path. If you set the path of the JDK bin directory, then you can run the Java command from anywhere from the command line. Suppose if you want to run the Java from this directory, you can run this. Also, if you go to the some other directory, you can run the Java from anywhere. This is possible only when you set the path environment variable. In the path environment variable, if you go to the environment variable, you just click and edit, and in the bottom of the list, you create the new one and add java underscore home slash bin. That's it. That will be added to the path of your your system path variable, so that you can run it from anywhere, the Java command. That's all in this video. Thank you.